Yo guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how I mark my possible support in the resistance and the trend line zone. So I call them area of value. When market reach those zones, for me it has become my important attention for the market at that moment, for me to pick a trade based on that. Okay, so people have been asking me, how do you come up with your signals before every day it used to play out? I've got a lot of questions from the Telegram channel. Okay, so those who have been following me for a very long time, they know I drop signal most of the time in the Telegram channel, but I don't do much video on them. So because of the questions that I'm getting today, I want to start this for you guys. So if this is your first time watching me, breaking down charts like this, remember it's going to continue in addition to the free funded account and everything. So good. I always deal with from 1 hour downwards. So only sometimes I pay attention to the 4 hour time frame, but mostly I go with the 1 hour time frame downwards. Why? Because gold is very volatile. So if your capital is not much big and you are going for a higher time frame analysis, then you are going to waste much of money allocating for stop loss level. Okay, so somebody who said you can do top to down analysis. That is up to you. In Forex, anyhow you go with the chart and make your money. That is it. Good. We all go with the top to down analysis. We agree, but whatever make you the money is what you have to stick to. So today, what's simple that I want to show you is to how to mark my zones. I'll do more video in future to teach you more about coming up with a signal. So you can see my chart is currently on the 5 minute time frame. So I'll quickly move to the 1 hour time frame where I've been checking most of my zones. So when you check my 1 hour time frame, you can see I have some levels right here. This is where we picked some selling opportunity last time. Okay, and we made a lot of profit. Okay, so you can see my zone has been reacting to this. So quickly, what I do is after this zone has played out, I'll just go and do what? Take off everything from the chart and start afresh again. That is how I do it. So I'll just go and delete, remove all from it. Okay, good. So the chart is playing on. So first, what I do is to zoom out the chart to get the view of the higher time frame market. Okay, so what I have to do here is to just pinpoint my exact zones that are clearly for my ISO fixed. I have to pick the zone right here, and I'm picking with the lower ones. Okay, so I have to relate it to catch up all the zones above here. So this is my first zone, which is my possible zone. Market can reach it and bounce back or break through. Good. So the next one that I have to pinpoint here is this one. Somebody may ask, why are you drawing this zone? Yes, it's due to experience that I have in the market. Okay, so I know the zones that can possibly play out. Okay, so I have this one too. What is the next one that my eye can catch very early? This one right here. Okay, and is what is reacting to market right now. That is what is reacting to market right now. So right now, I'll be thinking of buying or taking a break. Okay, this is where it became confused. You draw the zone. There are two things involved. Either the market break the zone or it's pull back on the zone. Okay, so you must take note of that. I don't think you have a zone, so when market reaches, they have to bounce back. No, don't ever fix your mind like that. Always think like you are not being favored in the market, so the market is always against you. So you have to think of it that many people are looking for a buying opportunity on this zone, and what the forex market is about is you are just playing with the big players. They want your money to add up to their own money to make money from you. And you also want to play smart and be at their side so that you can also make some money. So what do you need to do? After you draw these rules, you now have to check in for the trend line level. So what are we going to do? We are going to draw the possible trend line on the chart. So I have this one right here. I have this one right here. It's not making sense, so you leave it out. So when you are drawing and it's not making sense, you leave it out. So I think the trend line, the possible trend line on here, I think this one is making sense. This one is making sense. Why are we drawing all this? Okay, is because what the market doesn't know you. It favors the foolish people as well. So any foolish thing you think we are doing is right. Okay. So when I do things people don't understand, that is me. So we have to go to the 30 minutes time frame from now to see the possible zones right there. So this is a 30 minutes, and I think all the possible zone has been drawn from the 1 hour time frame has been clear on here as well. Okay. So let's go to 15-minute time frame. Yeah, 15-minute time frame to have makes sense. Somebody may be thinking, why are you not taking this point, this point, this point as a zone? Yeah. So for this particular one, we have this trend line. This trend line have a powerful uh power over all these ones that you mean I should drop. So let's just take this line to mark them. But to me, I'll not pay attention to them, no, because they are not trustworthy to hold market. Because why? There is no imbalance between them, and there is no way it's going to compete in this trend line. When this trend line is being break, I have an entry criteria that I have to look out for to join the trend. Okay, if this doesn't happen, you can see clearly from here we have a trend here. We have a trend here which has been broken. This can make it a retest and then bounce back. So we have to pay attention to all these two sides, either buying or selling. So at this particular point, whatever happened is depending on what I'm going to do. Good. So you can see I have marked all my clearly zone right here. So right now I'll just be waiting. You will not even understand me till you have followed me and watching my videos for very long time before you can understand this. Okay. So when you check the 5-minute time frame, that is what I use for my entry. The 5-minute time frame is what I use for my entry. So for the 5-minute time frame, what I'm going to do is I'll take off all these zones. Let me play out for you. Good. I'll take out. So from the 5-minute time frame, as I'm looking for a buying when that trend line is being broken, I have to make this clearly here. I have to make this right here. The line will be many, but you just have to know what you are doing. Okay. You just have to know what you are doing. Good. It's not for anybody readability. In Forex, don't think about anyone. Think about yourself. Don't think my chat will be nasty for somebody to read. No. Are you doing it for someone to make money, or you are doing it to make money yourself? Ask that question yourself before you start thinking about people will be like, my chat is nasty. No, we don't do that here. So this is what I have. It's been trying to break out. So from here, I have things that I have to compile. So when market open, today is holiday, so market is not running. I just want to show you this simple analysis that I've been doing or way I've been playing out with my zone. Normally, I trade all in gold. I trade gold for now. I pay attention to all in gold. I've realized that trading gold has been the easiest thing in the forex industry now. So just stick to gold or take US30 and all those pairs are very easy to trade than currency pairs. Currency pairs are very difficult and they will be fooling you and they'll be wasting a lot of time. Gold, when you enter gold, either we are wrong or right, straightforward, it shows you your direction. If you are wrong, you come out. If you are right, you stay. Within 10 minutes, gold will show you its direction after entry unless there is much consolidation. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. If you want me to do video about more thing in the forex industry, let me know at the comment section. Goodbye.